They have entrance to take you right in the hallways.
I like this already. It changes colors. No picture here comes right now because the train's going. Just turn to blue. Wow. Another good thing while you're waiting outside, if you don't know if you feel comfortable sitting in the seats, they do got modified seats. And they also have these right here, the test seats that were over by Space Mountain that are now over here with this awesome signage. So be aware of that. When you guys do come to ride this. What's going through your head right now, Rich?
I'm ready, I guess.
5 years, bro. 5 years. And I definitely like you can hear when it's coming. So if you want to get that good view, there it goes. Just filming this. And then COVID hits, and this is worth the wait, I believe, in my eyes. There we go. Oh. Velocicoaster fans.
Young Team Blue users at all times. Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of TRON. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems. You should be free from motion sickness or other conditions that could be aggravated by this experience. Expectant users should not ride. TRON LightCycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. Using the LightCycle Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Absolutely not.
Those are ride vehicles?
Team Blue, welcome to the Grand Casino Games.
Hidden door. I like it because it's simple.
That was sick. That was awesome.
Are we all together? Are we all together?
That was so dope. Oh. Wow.
Fingerprints on there. Yeah, look at all the handprints. Look at all that.
Is that comfortable? My big ass ain't getting on those.
Initiate in 3, 2. New Team Blue members detected for the LightCycle Run competition. Initiate identity disk profile. Initiate LightCycle Run upload sequence in 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome to TRON LightCycle Run, the ultimate competition on the grid. Before proceeding to the sync chamber, all members of Team Blue must prepare. All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid. Lockers are just ahead. To open a locker the portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation point. Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that your party requires. Remember your unit number. You will be piloting a specially modified LightCycle. When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. If you are assigned the far vehicle, you must walk behind the LightCycle. Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may fall off, and secure them in the storage area between the handlebar. To synchronize with your LightCycle, kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. TRON LightCycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark, making sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your LightCycle at all times. Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue launches across the upload conduit and onto the grid. Your opponents will meet you there. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory. In the LightCycle Run, there are winners and there are losers. Who are you? You will be piloting a specially modified LightCycle. When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. If you are assigned the far vehicle, you must walk behind and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue launches across the upload conduit and onto the grid. Your opponents will meet you there.
Get it back out. What's up? Get it back
To
out.
win,
Here's the lockers. You guys can get a good look at it as well. You just gotta remember what locker number had, and it will connect with your Magic Band or Magic Band Plus.
Yeah, so we gotta wait to get to 600. It's all good.
And just a quick reminder, stuff I had 626, so we are good to go. No freaking way. Bike or modified? I'll buy your bike. Oh my god. This is kind of neat actually as you look at this. Here's the front row and they have their own little queue for this. That's awesome to see. And I actually do like their office, but this is how you get on the front row right here, guys. Own special little queue for it. For me, when it comes out like this, first ride, I don't want to do the front row. I want to do a road that I can enjoy as well. So, we're ready for this, bud. We are ready for this.